Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Cigar, how you doing? We're continuing on with our very, very cool cigar torches. Jim just knows how to find this stuff. So again, if you didn't see our other video, this is a natural gas torch light that would have gone in there. You'll see some plumbing. It would have gone up there and you can light your cigar there. This thing's still routed, so I suppose you could go in and get it going again. Otherwise, it's just a great decoration for your cigar bar. So if you're interested, this is for you.
We really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we really appreciate it. So another exciting thing which has come to the Mantiques network is we did a little deal with the Suicide Doors. We put a link to their music on our videos. So if you push the link, you get to check out more of their music, as well as we've got it in the background of our videos. Check it out. We're certainly enjoying it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.